this is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic terminology that comes up when getting involved in the markets, along with trading advice or tips and viewing live day trades, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm currently watching Facebook here. We have a gap down this morning, and I'm just waiting to see if a potential setup is going to unfold. Alright, so I am now in the trade. I bought 5 put contracts at 99 cents, and I am expecting the price of Facebook to continue lower. Let's see what happens with the price action. So I have started to scale out of the position. I'm currently up about 30% at the moment. So this was a very nice breakdown here on Facebook. I have 3 contracts left, and I'm going to continue to scale out of the position as the price declines here. Facebook is starting to bounce here, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out of my final contract. I am all out of the trade for a $160 profit, which equates to a 32% gain. So not a bad trade to start the morning. I hope you enjoyed this live day trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.